Okay, so you can see what I'm going to do tonight. I got these beautiful tomahawks, and you know the bones doesn't really do anything but looks, but oh, they're incredible. I love doing these up, and they turn out so good. So you may ask me why I have a drill, and I'm going to explain why. We're doing a reverse sear on these, so when I put them in the smoker, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill the bone right there and hang them, just like doing them that way, and then I don't touch the meat and they're just hanging there. So let's drill them up. Okay, so what we're gonna do is put it over the edge of the table, pick a spot up there close, up high, where we're gonna insert the hook. And we're Alright, so we got them drilled, and what we're going to do is we are going to clean this mess up. I'm going to show you how to make some marinade. Marinate them for, we're going to marinate these for probably 45 minutes, then we're going to pat them dry, we're going to smoke them, and then we're going to sear them. They're going to be great, so let's get at it. Okay, so we got these beautiful tomahawk steaks ready to go. Oh, they're just, I love the look of these. My favorite steaks. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw the marinade together. We're going to start with soy sauce, oil, lemon juice, orange juice, water, grated fresh garlic, peppers. It's not pepper, it's black pepper. Onion powder. Montreal steak spice. So that makes your marinade. We're going to give this a little stir up, and then we're going to coat these, flip them a couple times. We're going to let them set for pretty close to 45 minutes. Let's stir it up. So there you have it. Let's take these, look. Coat it really good in the marinade. Coat this one good, and then we will flip these a few times throughout the 45 minutes. Alright, so 45 minutes and into the smoker. Okay, look at these beauties. They're all ready to go. Marinated 45 minutes, right around that. Massage them a little bit just to get the marinade in through. So now what we're going to do is we're going to dry these off a bit before we put them in the smoker. Take some of the marinade off. So let's put that one there. This one here. And we're going to grab some paper towel. And we're going to dampen them off. Just get the most of it off. That way the smoke will penetrate the meat better. Alright, so they're ready to go. We're going to take our hooks, put them in our pre-drilled holes. Now we're lucky enough to have a Ty4 meat thermometer. This thing is great. We're going to turn it on. I wouldn't want to cook without these anymore, so we're going to put this in, number one in here, put it into the line. Starts reading the temperature. We'll take out number two. It starts working instantly. We're going to put it through the thick part of the meat. And there's this. They're ready to go. So look at that. So we're going to hang these in the smoker, bring them up to temperature right around, I'm going to bring them up a little bit below 130, and then we're going to sear them on the barbecue, and that should be pretty close to medium, maybe a little bit more. So let's get them in the smoker. So isn't that a beautiful sight, them tomahawks in the smoker? Oh, look at that. These are going to turn out beautiful. Alright, so the time has come. They are at 128. The one's at 128, the other one's at 127, so pretty close. So they've been on for actually 100 minutes. So we're going to take them out. We get the barbecue preheated. That's pretty close to 600. 30 seconds on each side should do it. We're gonna bring it up to a little bit above, I'm thinking like 135, I'm hoping. Then we're gonna let it set for 5 minutes. So. Oh, they're looking beautiful. Just take the hooks out. Make sure you got good gloves on. Don't forget to take these out because we're going to use the THERMOMETer instant meat thermometer, which is incredible. So yeah, we're at 128. Alright, look at that. Okay, we'll leave them like that. Okay, let's sear them. Oh, beautiful. Alright, we got this. We're going to time 30 seconds. Alright, so they're ready to take off. $135, 31, 37. Hope there's a little higher. Okay, so there you have it. 2 tomahawks, reverse sear. It looked pretty delicious to me. So we're ready to cut them. They set for a good 5 minutes. Let's see how we have them done. I'm gonna. Which one should I cut into? Let's cut into. Let's look. Oh, they both look good. Let's cut this open. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So look at that. Close up. Oh my, what can I say? You gotta try this. Try that marinade. Try it. It's beautiful. I want to know what you guys think. And hit the subscribe button. I need them. I don't even feel. Beautiful.